Is this bag considered vintage since it's 55,000 years old? Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the new series called Did You See That Bag? Sit back, hang out, and I talk about any bag related news that I've seen recently. This series is to help guide you with an arsenal of knowledge so that you feel well equipped for your next designer bag purchase. If you're a luxury addict like myself, let's be friends, hit subscribe, and let's get on with this video. Let's start the series. Did you see that bag? The first bag that I want to talk about is this new Coperni bag that I've seen in the past few weeks. Coperni is known for that viral glass bag that Kylie Jenner wore a couple of years ago. It's essentially a bag that is made entirely of glass. It's pretty heavy, and you know, if you drop it, then it shatters. I just looked up how much that glass mini swipe bag was. I didn't know it was so expensive. Oh my God, $4,300. There are vases that are like bag vases. I would put my flowers inside of this bag. I would not use it as like a glass bag because what, I just can't let it go? Is it just gonna shatter? This new bag is called the Air Swipe bag, and it's made up of 99% air and 1% glass. It weighs 33 grams. I feel like is so light that you don't even know you're holding it. Can you actually put something inside? Is there a slot to put your phone in, or at least your Lactaid? I have so many questions about this piece. I will say it looks so sick. Because it's made up of 99% air, it looks like what you would imagine a cloud to look like if it turned into a bag. I'd love to get my hands on one to just feel what it feels like. On top of that, I'm not done with Coperni yet. In the same vein of Coperni having these buzzworthy bags, that bag is for sure the lightest bag that Coperni sells. I'm now going to share the heaviest bag that Coperni sells. A mini meteorite swipe bag. It's a limited edition dark gray bag made of, it's so weird to even say this, made of meteorite. Each piece is exclusively handmade, so the shape may vary. The meteorite is individually sourced per order and can come from various locations depending on where the meteorite fell on Earth. What? That is insane. The bag that's currently on their website right now that's pictured is estimated to have fallen on Earth 55,000 years ago and is certified 100% authentic meteorite. I'm so curious to know what the weight is gonna be. Oh, that's actually not as heavy as I thought it was gonna be. It's 4 pounds. That's not that heavy, because what, a Birkin is 3 pounds? So that's not bad. I thought it was gonna be like, I don't know, like I'm carrying a rock. Am I gonna fit the Lactaid? Looking at the photos, it looks like it's gonna have like a small interior, maybe around this size. So, okay, at least the Lactaid will fit. Not look like a phone will fit inside of here. Hey, are you curious to know about the price? I do my math by Birkins, by the way. This bag will cost around 1.5 Birkins, which equates to $45,000. But you get a cool piece of meteorite. Is this bag considered vintage since it's 55,000 years old? Let me know what you think. I'm gonna say this is vintage. If the bags that we source that are 20 years old are considered vintage, I think 55,000 years old would also be considered vintage. This next bag actually just recently came out a couple of days ago, and it is so stinking cute. So, you know the Loewe squeeze bag? Such a cute bag. I definitely plan to source one for the shop. It's a great tote bag. They have a bunch of different sizes too. It typically comes in the lambskin leather, which is nice and soft. Really a different kind of bag that I haven't seen before. What is really intriguing is the chain handle, chain strap. So essentially it's their Goya chain, but it's adjustable. Depending on what size you get, it could be an everyday bag or even like a nice work bag. A couple days ago, they came out with a fruit collection of the squeeze bag. All of them are beaded. It's so good. The price though, the price is what I was really contemplating like getting one, but man, if I don't even have like a lot of colorful bags, why am I getting a fruit bag? 4 different colors. Strawberry, passion fruit is the next one, and kiwi watermelon one. Such a fun summer bag. Since it's beaded, they actually made a newer, smaller version than the small. So right now, the Loewe squeeze comes in small, medium, large, but they made a mini version for this tote. Oh my God, when I saw that price tag, $7,400. This is for someone who is a collector, who, you know, isn't gonna use this every day, but can appreciate a fruit beaded bag. Next item on the agenda, and one that I haven't seen being talked about. Bottega Veneta just released this new bag, the vanity case on strap. It comes in 2 different sizes. The bigger size is very similar in looks to the Loewe. It's very similar in looks to the Loewe Piana. We're gonna pause. Since this is the safe space, for the longest time, I was pronouncing Loewe Piana as Laura Piano. I'm embarrassed. I've never sourced this bag, and it's, you know, a bag that hasn't necessarily been on my radar. So I've just been calling it Laura Piano this whole time. And I'm so embarrassed because when I went into the store looking at the Bottega bag, I was like, this looks like the Laura Piano. Bottega's bag looks so similar to the Laura Piana. So much so that it's the same size. It has the same like zipper opening, closing with the dual zippers. I'm gonna say it. It might be an unpopular opinion, but I personally think that the Bottega Veneta one is a little bit more interesting to look at. Bottega throw in some shade because they actually priced it less than Laura Piana's. So the one on Laura Piana is around $2,500 and the Bottega Veneta one is $2,200. Anyways, so I actually posted a video about the bag a couple of days ago, and oh my goodness, it ended up going somewhat viral on TikTok, which tells me that not a lot of people have seen this bag because there were quite a few shares. And it's so interesting because I feel like this could be a really popular bag if people knew about it, but maybe it's just being overshadowed by the Andiamo because the Andiamo is a very, very popular style. Another bag that I am planning to source for the shop. The Andiamo clutch, which is a very popular one, and it sold out. That wraps up today's video. Let me know what you guys think of any of the news that I just shared. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to be friends, make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hugs and kisses. Bye, guys.